In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you a brand new working method on how to get Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 for free on PC or Steam. This game isn't exactly that expensive. I think it's around $20 US, yeah, so this isn't going to make you a millionaire. It's not going to save your bank balance that much, but yeah, I'm going to show you an easy method to get a free copy of Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. And like I said, this is working on PC or Steam, and it is a simple digital game code that you can enter in the Steam store, and it's going to basically download the full game. So you need to use your mobile phone. I know you're probably a PC or computer nerd, but yeah, use your mobile for this, guys, just because it makes it so much easier. And you've got to go to this website to get your game code: www.robotcoupons.com. So spell it like this, guys: robot coupons. And this is basically a codes website. As you can see, they have game codes for lots of other games. They have promo codes and stuff. So I'm just going to use the search function at the top here and search for Poppy Playtime. And here we go: Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 free digital game code. And as I mentioned, this is available, of course, on PC/Steam. And these game codes are limited, so you can see there isn't an unlimited amount, but there is a bunch of them. So when you click on show code, you will need to personally unlock your code. This basically limits one code per person. Obviously, if you could get 1,000 codes, people would be selling them on eBay and what have you. So this basically prevents that. So you need to unlock your personal code, and you need to complete a couple of tasks from this page here and follow the instructions below each of them. So I've got only 2 tasks here. I'm in the UK. If you're in the US, you're going to have a bunch of different ones as well. They're all completely free. And these are usually things like playing mobile games or answering surveys. They're all completely free. So this one says here, answer the questions and fill in your valid details. So this is basically a free survey. Now, I know it's annoying having to do these, guys, but you are saving yourself a bunch of money. So I think it's worth it. So yeah, in this one, I would have to input my valid email. And this confirms I'm not a robot, basically trying to steal the codes. But yeah, if you fully complete 2 of these tasks on this page, I won't bother doing it. I've already got the code. But yeah, your code will be fully revealed. It'll redirect you back to this page and your code will be unlocked and you can redeem it. And that is how to get Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 for free. Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Smash the like button if you got your free copy of Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. So enjoy. Peace out.